code 33 on a carrier control board means a safety limit has been tripped and the system has shut down to prevent unsafe operation. A code 33 indicates that a limit switch in the safety chain opened, usually because a high temperature or unsafe condition was detected. Start by cutting power and visually inspecting the furnace for obvious heat damage, burnt wiring, or obstructions in the combustion area. Check the flame rollout sensor and the high heat plenum limit for signs of soot, corrosion, or melted components, and test continuity with a multimeter while cool. Verify the low pressure gas switch or any pressure sensing safety devices are not blocked, and that venting and inducer operation are normal, because restricted exhaust can cause false trips. Confirm proper airflow by inspecting and cleaning or replacing the air filter, checking blower wheel condition, and ensuring return and supply ducts are open. Restricted airflow raises heat and trips limits. If a switch fails continuity but looks physically intact, replace it rather than attempt a temporary reset, and when replacing parts match the manufacturer specifications for temperature rating and terminal configuration. After replacing components, restore power and run several heat cycles while monitoring temperatures and pressures to ensure the fault does not recur before closing the access panel. Common mistakes include assuming a single component failed and replacing only the first switch you see, which can miss underlying causes like poor airflow or blocked venting. Always troubleshoot the entire safety circuit and the conditions that triggered the trip. Another frequent issue is resetting power repeatedly without addressing the root cause, which can mask intermittent faults and cause further damage. Always diagnose between resets and document test readings. A third concern is using the wrong replacement switch or installing it improperly, leading to nuisance trips or unsafe operation. Verify temperature ratings and wiring positions and test continuity before final assembly. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors for repairs like this and to show contractors where work is available. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and professionals share experiences, troubleshooting steps, and recommendations.